Mucco Sinyalteknik are made of durable polycarbonate lens and impact-resistant ABS housing material. More remarkable, bright SMD LEDs. It has IP65 protection class against water and dust. Operating modes in rotary mode, flashing mode, and steady mode. Includes strobe mode. Possibility to be produced in 5 different color options. At Mucco Sinyalteknik, we promise our users 2 years warranty for our products, and we also guarantee 50,000 hours of LED light life. Our products have proved that they are durable, healthy, environmentally friendly, and are not affected by water, dust, heat, UV rays, with all national and international certificates and quality certificates. Alert you from long distances and make your voice heard. You can visit our website mucco.com.tr address for all and more. Mucco Sinyalteknik. Our aim is warning.